Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today topic is top 10 my proven way to earn money for graphic designer. This is very interesting topic. All you know, these days are going to lockdown period, so everyone want to earn from home, especially for graphic designer also want to earn from home because of many job are going and very crucial time for the company and employee also. So let us start today. First is job. So everybody know job is first thing for a graphic designer. Today situation is not very well for job. So starting for the next topic. Second is YouTube. I show you the example how can earn from all the topic, all the step that I show you. First is YouTube. So I created YouTube channel, you can see here, and I have passed 1 year ago I started this, and this is the starting period, not a very good position but little bit good for the earning. I am not showing here the earning, but you have the good way to start earn online. If you know graphic designing, how to create any graphic, any software like CorelDRAW, Photoshop, you can teach on the YouTube or earn money by slowly and slowly. All the topics are based on less effort and higher effort. So starting the less and greater than the higher effort. So then come on the third is sell service. If you want to sell service like graphic design, like a brochure, poster, flyer, logo, you can also sell just like that. I am selling this way. Logobazaar.com, this is my site. I am selling my service through this site. Logo design, graphic design, poster, flyer, this type of service I sell from this site. This is also the good way to earn online money for a graphic designer. 4 is blog. This is also a starting period. You can good way for the graphic designer. You can start this way. I am showing an example that I created. I created this blog for especially for graphic designer. You can see this is the latest blog. This is the last topic, my favorite 10 YouTube channel for graphic designer. That also I created a video on that, and many more topic related. All the topic are related to graphic design. You can also write if you know something to writing skill. That is not good myself also, but I started and I have enabled on the AdSense on this site, and also income source in increasing little bit but not heavy, but little bit is not less. Coming on the next topic. Next is 5 sell courses. If you really want to teach you can also the another option to sell your courses like YouTube. You can sell courses like udemy.com and many other sites like that. I have also published 3 courses on over there. You can see here. Logo design course in Hindi, a creative way to earn online, a free launching course for graphic designer, a live logo design tutorial on live project. All these videos are also available on the YouTube channel. This is the advanced level. You can get support from this if you buy these courses. I am not promoting here. I only show you how can earn money the different way for the graphic designer. Here is you can see 1500 plus student enrolled. You can get inspired to see my all the effort in the way. I only show you all the way that I created and get started and get good response all from that. Next is bidding. Bidding is also a good way. You can start bidding like freelancer.com site, and many other sites like Upwork, Fiverr, Guru, many other sites. You can see many video on YouTube channel like how to bidding, how to get work from online site like that. This is also a very good way. Next is cell graphics. If you have a creative mind, if you have a laptop and internet, you can create a many graphic that help the graphic designer. I can sell the many site like Adobe Stock, Shutterstock. I can also create account on Shutterstock. You can see my graphic. This all graphic are also available on freegraphic.in, but I also sell on Shutterstock. Many graphic you can see here, and Adobe Stock you can also see there. Many graphic I uploaded on this side and downloaded and earn a little. This is much for inspire for many. Next is on site. If you want to create on site, this is the expensive way. This is not easy. That I created my site freegraphic.in. I also upload my graphic. Here is the free, but my AdSense earnings little bit, not very much, but little bit is not less. You can create site, but this is a very tough way. I said in a starting, as you higher number of my numbering, you can get much difficult task on the site. Next is design contest. This is the most harder way for the graphic designer. You can participate in design contest like site design crowd, 99 designs, many sites. You can participate in design contest. You can earn in dollars like that in show here. My earning is very high from design contest, other than other way that I said you earlier. So you can want to earn in design contest, you have to crazy minded and very creative and very a motivated person. Otherwise you cannot earn in this way. This is very tough way, I can say you. Next, last topic is 10. I cannot say any way to earn money. I want to ask from you. If you have any knowledge in the next 10, you can comments below. And I also want to know how can earn money another way. Though, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.